Hi there. You might remember me from last week. My name's Chris, and I'm the curator of the Embryos Genetics Stock Center. But you're not here to see me. You're here to see the axolotls. So I'm going to turn you over to them. These embryos are 9 days old. One of the neat things about the axolotl is that they lay large, transparent embryos. This allows you to watch development from a single cell stage all the way up through hatching. It's amazing to be able to watch these animals grow and hatch with the naked eye. You don't need a microscope, you don't need a magnifying glass, you can just stare and watch these bulls hatch. And then we move over to 20-day-old embryos. So these guys were laid on the 13th of August and have now hatched out into young larval animals. These guys have exhausted their yolk sac and are ready to eat. So what we do is when we feed these animals, we feed them brine shrimp that is only 48 hours old. Small little nauplii that allow these animals to ingest the smallest amounts for their tiny little stomachs. One of the neat things is watching them eat. So one of the things you hear about a process why animals eat is gape and suck. So they'll open their mouths, and as they're opening their mouths, they're sucking in the brine shrimp. One of the unfortunate things is sometimes if animals are housed too close together or too many per bowl, is when they ingest the brine shrimp, they may ingest one of their bowl mates' limbs as the limbs start to develop. So that's why we try and limit the number of animals per bowl to 100. And we break those down into 50 per bowl as they grow a little bit bigger than this. So that is it for this week. Next week, we'll watch even more development and maybe go over some different color variants. Cool for us.